Hello all and welcome to today's video, where I'll be showing you some of the best budget accessories that you can get your hands on for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. So let's go ahead and take a look at our first accessory of today. There is nothing more annoying than when you are out and about and you get caught short with a dead battery, which could lead to you missing out on the perfect photo opportunity. I hold here the solution to this problem, with Pebble's Verto Powerbank. It has a 3700 Ah capacity, enabling you to restore the battery of your phone for days. The powerbank is impressively small and extremely lightweight, perfect for carrying within your bag or even your pocket. Therefore, it will not become a nuisance when charging on the go, which is the main purpose of this product. When purchasing the portable charger, you will also receive a little pocket. It will help keep the external look of the charger intact. It also has an integrated slot for you to keep the necessary charging cables within. The cable to charge the device is included, though you will need to provide the USB to charge your handset with. It has an auto shut-off mode, so when your device finishes charging, it will automatically turn off. Therefore, there will be no damage caused to your handset as a result of being overcharged. To see how much battery the portable charger has left, simply press the on-off button and small LEDs will appear indicating how much battery is left. Our second accessory of today is the unbelievably ultra-thin fast wireless charging pad from Olixar. It offers up to 10 watt charging, which is 30% faster than the average wireless charger. This is the perfect accessory to accompany you at your desk, as its construction is so simplistic and modern, it looks phenomenal in any setting. By having a wireless charger at your workstation, you are able to charge your device hassle-free throughout the day. Wireless charging makes your living and workspace more organised due to the lack of cables. In order for the charger to work, all you need to do is plug it into the mains. When the charger is powered, a small red LED will be present on the front, indicating that the charger is not in use. Then, when you place the device onto the pad, the LED will turn to blue. This is to show that your device is now charging. The pad supports a non-slip coating to ensure your device's position is secure when charging. It also has a soft texture to prevent any chance of your handset becoming scratched, helping to keep your phone in a pristine condition. Not only does the top of the pad have a non-slip coating, but the bottom does too. Therefore, the pad itself is secure when placed onto a surface. Now we have a very important adapter, which allows us to have complete freedom of what headphones we use to listen to music. This is the Olixar USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter. This is the cheap alternative to the official Samsung connector. As most modern phones no longer cater for the aux headphones, it has left many people frustrated, as you feel limited to what audio devices you are able to use. But by simply using this adapter, you'll be able to continue using your favourite earphones. The reason for taking away the aux input is due to the phone's ability of becoming more water resistant, which is definitely a beneficial feature to have for your handset, as most people have suffered the loss of a phone from drops in a sink or even the toilet. The adapter is compatible with any USB-C devices, allowing for you to use it with any other devices that support a USB-C in your household. As it is so small and extremely lightweight, you are able to carry it with you at all times. Or you could also keep the adapter connected to your headphones, avoiding the possibility of it becoming misplaced. Now we have the most important of them all, as it provides that much needed protection to your handset. This is the Ghostek's Covert 4 case, which offers outstanding protection to your device for just a small cost, allowing for your device to keep its like-new condition long after being purchased. There is a healthy lid that sits around the display of the phone to provide protection to the most important feature of the handset, so when placed down, your screen will not come into contact with the surface and will allow you to carry on watching your favourite TV shows from your phone through a scratch-free screen. Air-cushioned corners have been incorporated into the case to protect the vulnerable areas of your device if in the event it was to take a tumble. Another beneficial factor of the case is its anti-slip coating, which has been enforced to protect your device in your clumsiest of moments. Though the anti-slip coating does not in any way cause any friction when removing and placing into your pocket, there is an integrated stand situated on the back of the cover to make your long journeys more entertaining. The last item is a vital addition for any handset. Here is Olixar's glass screen protector. It is extremely great value for money. The design of the protector reaches to each curved edge of the display perfectly, giving the screen the necessary amount of protection to object scratches forming on the screen of your handset. There is a black border, which may not be everyone's preferred form of protection, but this one does not interfere with the phone screen, as this has been a problem with previous protectors that support a black border. After the glass has been applied to your device, you'll experience no issues with the touch sensitivity. I do feel the need to press a little harder in order to gain fingerprint access, so I do suggest amplifying the touch sensitivity to resolve this. There are no obstructions when using face recognition, as the front camera lens has been perfectly cut out. After applying a variety of cases to the handset, I haven't found any issues with the screen protector attached, allowing your phone to receive all-round protection using your favourite cases, as a result of the materials used to construct the glass. If it was to become damaged, it would crack instead of shatter, which makes it much safer for you to remove. The glass is crystal clear and does not in any way distract your view when watching content from your phone, allowing you to see the full potential of the device's high-quality display. If any of these accessories have caught your eye, check out the links in the description and comments below. For more content regarding mobile accessories and tech, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.